Oh, we're here live in Canada.
Sponsored by Timmy's, I think.
Sponsored by Timmy's.
Oh, it's sponsored, bud.
We're not actually sponsored.
I wish, bud.
I wish. What do we say? Oh, that was a fucking trick right there.
What do you say we microwave some stuff?
Microwave what, bud?
Like, I don't know, what kind of things do you have?
Oh.
You know, I heard if you throw your phone in the microwave, it'll charge.
It'll charge?
It'll charge, bud.
How fast?
Like, super fast, like 2 seconds of full.
I got a fucking phone. Got another phone.
How many phones do you have?
I got 3 phones right here.
Oh, what do you want to charge?
I gotta charge all of them at once.
All of them at once?
Yeah, just fucking...
Just stack them up.
Just stack them up like that.
Oh, bud.
Right there. Think that'll work?
Should we do it, bud?
Let's
do it, bud.
I think we need a little bit of extra charge.
You know, all these phones, you can't charge them all at once. You only got one USB.
That's true.
Only got one block.
Fuck, we're gonna put that in there too?
No. Got some Timmy's. We always gotta microwave that, keep it warm.
Timmy's keep her warm. Oh,
good.
fuck it. I got this battery here.
Dude, this thing is gigantic. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
That's a battery right there.
That's a... Look at that, bud. The little spring popped off.
I got another iPhone here.
Oh. No, it's not an iPhone yet, bud. Here we go. Got a Sharpie.
Oh.
Got a phone. Got an iPhone. That's an iPhone, bud.
Oh, we got another iPhone here. The iPhone 1.
The iPhone 1990. Here, it's got the buttons on it, see?
What are buttons? Just right there. Right on the top. Little battery there.
Make a little chinook. Look at that corrosion, though.
Just add that in there too.
Cover the logo.
Just
Let's go, bud.
let's fucking do this.
We have ignition.
Back off, man. That shit's gonna fucking explode. Dude.
We have smoke on the left side of the microwave.
Oh, there goes your fucking Timmy's, bud.
Oh, we got smoke.
Oh, it's fucking going there, bud. Dude, back off. That does not look friendly.
All right, bud. This is what we're looking like.
After 9 minutes there. Fucking.
Still smoking.
Do you think our iPhones are fucking charged?
I think they're charged, bud.
Fuck.
I don't know if the microwave's charged, bud.
I need to get on Snapchat there.
What are you thinking, bud?
They're looking. Get them on camera. They're looking. Oh shit, bud. Dude. My fucking uniform's in there for work.
Oh,
I'm gonna get fired.
Oh, again?
Danny boy. Got some fucking gloves?
I got gloves. So I got so hot, if you look here, the iPhone 5C is all melted. We're just gonna lift this guy up on top.
Oh, dude. I think my fucking phone's charged.
Oh, wait, no, this is the phone. This is the iPhone 1.
Oh, that's the iPhone 1.
All right, we've got, this one is very expanded. You can tell the battery's just full of juice up in there. That one, also expanded. This big battery.
Somebody's knocking on the
It's on the ground.
Ooh.
Oh. Okay, so it turns out the microwave is great for your Tim Hortons, but it's not so great for your phone. You know, these ones, they're not turning on. We can't really figure it out. We don't know why. We just can't figure it out.
Fucking don't know.
This one don't have a screen anymore. This one doesn't have a screen anymore.
Dude, what happened to the fucking iPhone 1? Good to know.
So you're gonna wear that to work tomorrow? Got your tag right there.
I think we're set. Tag's all you need. I'll be back at work on Wednesday, boys.